Hello and welcome aboard Nanook, my 40-foot steel boat. In this video I'm going to talk about this heating system I have in the boat. It's a REFLEKS heater. It's a Danish company. They've made these since the 1950s and it is so simple. If you know these Swedish stoves, it's called a Trangia. This one got this little container. I can show you here, and in this container you pour methylated spirits. Light it with a match and the spirit will burn and it will heat this chamber and the spirit evaporates, and it's pretty much like a gas stove. Same principle, pretty much the same principle is used in this REFLEKS heater. You pour a little bit of methylated spirit in here, turn it on, and it heats the burning chamber, and then the diesel oil will start to evaporate and burn. It's so simple. On the back side there's a regulator, and the diesel oil comes from the tank in here, and you just turn it on. It's off now. Turn it on to around pretty much 1. Spirit, match, and just wait and it will start burn. Then it's possible to regulate it here. This burner here is pretty cool because it's got a little water tank, and I can connect my radiators. So the hot water, the water will be heated inside here and it runs out here to the radiators, and when it's cold or cooler after it's been around the boat, it will get back in here and will be reheated and circulated in the boat. It's possible to install it without a pump, because when the water heats up it expands and then it will get pushed around the boat, but only if you have the radiators mounted in a special way. But I will do it with a little pump, circulation pump, and then the water will be pumped around in the boat. So this heater is so simple. It's another little thing here. On top here, there's like a top on a stove, and it will be hot, and then I can boil water here. Yeah, stove, chimney, and I will install it now, and then I will turn it on and show you how it works. Okay, so now the stove is placed in the right place here. The chimney is in the right position, and now I will connect the diesel. Okay, installation took a couple of minutes. My diesel tank is here. I will move it somewhere else, but so far I've placed it here because it's easy to pour diesel oil. And I will connect it to a diesel tank just above the keel. Okay, to turn it on, just pour in some methylated spirits and turn a match. Didn't turn on. And just throw the match in here. Oops. And the spirit will burn. Heat the diesel oil and heat the boat. Very simple. In the next video I will talk about how I'm insulating the boat. Stay tuned. See ya.